was just kind of thinking what will be the example. Usually, common analogy also used as if you want to see, if the water is stored, there's kind of like muds and things, and the way to see the clarity of water is just being patient and no eruptions happening and just being the time. Basically, time will tell. If you be patient, then it will settle all the dust, and there's a clear luminosity aspect of the water that it will able to kind of manifest, it arise into that. So in a state, it is like in another way to look at it, it would be like a rising moon. We have like from new moon to full moon. So experience of luminosity and clarity is in a process from new moon to full moon. So it's kind of like the journey it kind of takes. And the more that your mind is less distracted and it have a kind of stability, and like, for example, one individual practitioners reach into within the 9th stage of a meditation, if they reach like kind of 9th level, is almost like the close to the full moon kind of manifest, knowing that even you can apply the conventional nature of a mind to able to observe and experience. It's almost like a level to full moon experience with a autumn full moon. Usually I say like an autumn full moon, not the raining season full moon. Something like that. It's just kind of like through the patient. And basically, even sometime they call many different layers of a duality. What kind of cloud that obscure that full moon? In this case, the duality. There is a standard distraction that's already kind of stopped. But then there's this kind of hazy duality, which kind of obscures, change the light of the moon. So in the same way, clear in the luminosity element is, when you have like a smoke and something like that, sometimes you see the moon is totally kind of like a pink or something like that. You doesn't see the kind of like the clear, pristine, kind of that moon. So there's a different level of you can still see the moon. It's not totally cloud, but there's this duality, hazy duality. And that basically, whatever through the process, once, oh, today is, so clean, last night it rained, all the smokes are gone, now today we can see, tonight we can see autumn full moon. So that hazy duality, that need to be kind of like settled.